With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, if a raindrop falls under the influence of the downward gravitational force and the opposing resistive force, consider a drop of mass 1 gram falling from a height of 1 kilometer. If it hits the ground with a speed of 50 meter per second, what is the work done by the gravitational force and work done by the unknown resistive force? So first we will see the diagram to understand this question more easily. Okay, so here we can take, this is the height, that is 1 kilometer from the ground, and when the raindrop, this is the maximum height, we can take its initial velocity will be 0 and it is falling under the influence of gravity, so we can take g will be equals to 10 meter per second square, and its initial velocity they have given as 50 meter per second. Okay, and in this question whatever the given data they have given, that one first we will write. The mass is 1 gram, so we will convert into kg. It is 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. Height is 1 kilometer, so we will convert that one also in meter, that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Its speed, final speed they have given 50 meter per second, and they ask work done due to the gravitational force and work done due to the resistive force. Okay, so these two type of work done we are calculating. For that, first we will calculate work done by the gravitational force. For this we have the formula, that is W equals to mgh. M is the mass, g is the acceleration due to gravity, h is the height. Now we will substitute all these values, and by the calculation we will get the work done by the gravitational force, it will be equals to 10, because minus 3 plus 3 it will be cancelled, and we will get this is 10 joule. Sorry, it is 10 joule. Okay, now next we have to calculate the work done by the resistive force. For that, first we will calculate the change in kinetic energy. The change in kinetic energy. This change in kinetic energy can be written as final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Okay, so that one we will write here. The change in kinetic energy of the raindrop is delta K equals to half mvf square minus half mvi square. Vf is the final velocity and vi is the initial velocity. Now we will substitute the values. Mass is 10 raised to minus 3 and final velocity is 50. Square is there, minus initial velocity is 0, so whole term will becomes equals to 0. So we will get the change in kinetic energy will be minus 3 into 2500 divided by 2. So this one we will get as 1250 joule. Now the next we are calculating, that is work done by the resistive force. Or we can say that the change in kinetic energy can be written as work done by the gravitational force plus work done by the resistive force. Here we are calculating work done by the resistive force, so we can write delta K equals to Wg. So here we have missed one constant in the change in kinetic energy, that is 10 to the power of minus 3 is missing there. So we can write the change in kinetic energy as 1.250 joule. Okay, so now that value we will substitute here. (1.250) minus, above we have already calculated, that is work done by the gravitational force is 10. So by calculation we will get this will be equals to minus 8.75 joule. Okay, so minus is representing because this work done, this work is the negative. So as you can see here, first we have calculated work done by the gravitational force, it is 10 joule. After that we have calculated the change in kinetic energy, that is 1.250 joule, and finally we got the work done due to the resistive forces as minus.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.